Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make healthy chicken Alfredo recipe that's low in calories but still delicious. Here are the ingredients you will need: whole wheat pasta, boneless chicken, olive oil, garlic, milk, parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, fresh parsley. Okay, first step, cook the pasta according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat, high heat. Add the chicken and garlic and cook until the chicken is browned and cooked through. Next step, add the milk to the skillet and blend it to simmer. Add parmesan cheese and stir until it's melt and the sauce is smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Next, once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add to the skillet with sauce. Toast everything together until the pasta is coated in with the sauce. Next, finally, garnish with fresh parsley and serve hot. And there you have it. A healthy chicken Alfredo recipe that's low in calories but still delicious. This recipe is perfect for those who want to enjoy a classic Italian dish without all guilty. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy, delicious. Enjoy.